Good morning, students. In this video, I will read and explain you your lesson number 8, A Girl Called Manu. This small play is about Rani of Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. It tells us about her life details and her struggle for freedom. Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi, was a brave young queen known for her heroism. Heroism is her great bravery. She was a leading figure in Indian struggle against the British in 1857. She was one of the important freedom fighter who fought against British in 1857. She is remembered for her bravery and sacrifice. She was very brave and sacrificed a number of things for the independence of India. Read this play that tells us about some of the important moments in her life. This play tells us some of the important moments of her life. The characters in the play are narrator, the one who narrates the scene or tells about what the scene is all about. A sage, Moropant Tambe, Tambe's wife, Manu, that is the Rani, Lakshmi Bai, Nana, Gangadhar Rao, state priest, courtier, Major Ellis, soldier, messengers, minister. The narrator is describing the first scene. Moropant Tambe, a courtier of the Maratha ruler Bajirao II, is very happy today. Who is Moropant Tambe? Tambe is a courtier in the court of Bajirao II, who is the Maratha ruler. Now Bajirao Tambe is very happy today. Why? Because he and his wife have had a baby girl and they have named her Manikarna, Manu for short. Short name of Manikarna is Manu, who became Lakshmi Bai in future. At Tambe's residence, Tambe's house, there is singing and dancing. Why? Everybody is happy because there is a small baby girl. Tambe is receiving guests and his wife with a baby in her arms is the center of the attraction. Now this baby, small baby, is the center of attraction, means everybody is attracted towards her. Just then a sage with flowing white hair arrives. Sage is Sadhu, came with the long hairs, white hairs there. Tambe touches his feet. When a wise man, sage is a wise man, when he came, Tambe touches his feet. Obviously, when we also meet some elders or we get some wise people, we try to greet that person by touching his feet. The sage blesses him and then walks across to bless the child. Sage, blessing the child, exclaims. He is surprised. What a lovely baby. Such a glow on her face. Says the baby is very beautiful and there is lots of glow on her face. To the audience, sage is speaking to everyone. Mark my words, means remember my words. This is no ordinary child. This small girl is not an ordinary child. She is destined to make history. She is sure to be very famous. Take good care of her. Everyone present listens in awe and stands still as the sage leaves. Everyone present there respectfully listened to the sage and stood motionless when sage left the place. Turn to page number 72 for scene 2. Narrator is narrating scene 2. As a young girl, Manu has a friend and companion, a partner, a friend, Nana, the son of Bajirao. Now, Nana and Manu are good friends. A young girl and boy of the same age dressed in riding gear enter. The boy is out of breath. Means the scene is the boy, that is Nana, and the girl Manu entered on the stage with a riding gear. They are wearing the dress of riding a horse. And the boy is out of breath. Means the boy is very tired. He is not able to breathe properly. You also, when you people are tired, or when you run and come, or you jog, or do exercise, right? Your breath is, you people take a deep breath, right? The boy is doing that. Manu, laughing. Nana, you're already breathless? Means you are breathing hard? I warned you not to challenge me, but you did. Now you know who rides faster. Maybe there was a challenge to find out who rides fast. Now who won? Manu won, right? So Manu asked Nana that you shouldn't have challenged me. Now you understood who rides fast? Nana says, I know. What a fool I was. Admiringly, Manu respectfully called Manu, you really are brave. The way you lifted me on your horse when I fell. Means while riding, Manu must have fell down. Nana must have fell down. So Manu picked up him while riding the horse. And the way you rode were remarkable, worth noticing, is very interesting, which cannot be forgotten. I couldn't have done that. Nana said, I couldn't have done what you have done. Manu, all this is due to my father, Nana. After my mother died, he took me to Bithura, where I took lessons in horse riding and warfare. Someday I shall become a soldier. Now Manu gives all the credit of her horse riding to her father because her father took her to Bithura where she learned horse riding and warfare, how to fight in a war. And she wishes to become a soldier someday when she grows up. Nana, and I shall ride by your side. When you will become a soldier, I will ride by your side. I will ride with you. Remember, Manu, if you ever need me, all you have to is call. Means in future, whenever you need me, you just send a messenger to call me. I will be there for your help. Manu, I will remember, Nana. Manu said, I will remember what you said now. Narrator. Now narrator is describing rest. Next of the scene. The two part waves mean the two, Nana and Manu, moves to go to their respective homes. They move back to their homes. Time flies means time passes away. Moroppan Tambe receives a messenger. Now Manu is grown up. She is getting a marriage proposal. Fine. So Moroppan Tambe receives a messenger who has a marriage proposal for Manu. Marriage proposal is a offer for marriage. Now from where did the proposal come? The marriage proposal came from Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi. Manu's father agrees to the marriage proposal and is happy. Tambe is ready to give her daughter Manu to Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi as the wife. He should be for Gangadhar Rao is a good man because Gangadhar Rao was a good man. That is why Tambe agreed for the proposal. Turn to page number 73 for scene 3. Now at scene 3, at the scene of the wedding, festivities are on. Now wedding is going on. Wedding ceremonies are going on. Celebrations are on. The state festivities mean celebrations. The state priest of Jhansi addresses Tambe. The state priest is the religious leader who speaks to Tambe. State priest. It is our privilege, it is our advantage and joy to have such a noble queen. Such a noble queen, that is Manu. She will surely bring honor, good name and respect to the name of Jhansi. I will continue in my next video.